When it comes to your hybrid workforce, the best offense is a great defense, as cybercriminals make a play to exploit your growing number of endpoints and users working from everywhere. You need a tight line of defense to ensure employee productivity while keeping your network and data secure. Business Information Group and Cisco have a game-winning strategy to protect your users, your data, and your business. Hold the first line of defense with unmatched visibility and threat protection to protect devices, users, and distributed locations. Maintain the last line of defense with rapid incident detection, response, and remediation of advanced threats for complete coverage. Together, they protect your users against malware, phishing, and command and control callbacks, anywhere on any device. With Big and Cisco as your defensive lineup, you can focus on scoring new opportunities instead of worrying about your hybrid workforce. Get started today with a free demo.